Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are looking at the oil life indicator on the Honda Accord 2014 and figure out how to get this thing reset. Oil has already been changed. The oil life gauge may not reset. You may have to do that yourself. So this is how we're going to do it. Just power it up without actually starting the car. There we go. There's the oil life gauge. Gonna hit this little knob right here and hold it. I'm still pressing the knob. Once it starts blinking, let go. Then press it again. Hold it. There we go. We'll go ahead and get the car started. And that's it. 2014 Honda Accord resetting the oil life gauge. Make sure you like and subscribe.